Please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps us out. And of course, if you have any questions, comment below and we will answer you as soon as we can. Hey everyone. Welcome back to our accounting series. In this video, we're talking about an essential bookkeeping skill, balancing off accounts. By the end of this video, you'll understand what balancing off accounts means, how to balance an account step by step, why this process is crucial for financial accuracy. Let's dive in. In accounting, balancing off accounts means calculating the closing balance of an account at the end of a financial period. Each account in the general ledger needs to be balanced to ensure, firstly, the books are accurate. Secondly, the totals match for financial statements. And thirdly, any outstanding balances are carried forward correctly. Let's break this down with an example. Suppose we have a cash account that tracks money coming in and going out. Now, let's balance it step by step. Balancing an account involves 3 key steps. First, add up the debit and credit sides separately. In this case, the debits are as follows. Opening balance equals 5,000. Sales revenue equals 2,000. Total debit equals 7,000. Now the credits are as follows. Rent paid equals $1,500. Office supplies equals $500. Total credit equals $2,000. Next, we find the difference between the two sides. In this case, $7,000 minus $2,000 equals $5,000. This difference is the closing balance of the account. We write the closing balance as balance carried down on the smaller side. Now, for the next period, we bring this balance forward as balance brought down. This means the next period starts with $5,000 in the cash account. Balancing off accounts ensures, firstly, every transaction is recorded correctly. Secondly, the financial statements are accurate. And thirdly, the books stay organized for decision making and auditing. Let's summarize. Balancing off accounts finds the closing balance of ledger accounts. The 3 steps. Total both sides. Find the difference. Carry the balance forward. This process is crucial for preparing financial statements and maintaining accurate records. Mastering this skill is a big step toward understanding bookkeeping and accounting. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more accounting lessons. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share. And comment below so we can clarify things for you.